This video compares TONEX and Boss GT-1000 multi-effects processors. Choosing the right processor can transform your guitar tone without overwhelming complexity. We'll explore both options to help you find the best fit for your sound. TONEX and Boss GT-1000 are powerful multi-effects processors designed for guitarists. The core difference lies in TONEX's AI-driven modeling technology versus Boss GT-1000's advanced DSP and extensive effect library. Each offers unique approaches to tone shaping and performance flexibility. TONEX is an innovative multi-effects processor by IK Multimedia that uses AI-driven technology to model guitar tones with remarkable accuracy. It works by analyzing your playing style and guitar signal, then applying deep learning algorithms to recreate classic amps, cabinets, and effects in real time. This approach allows for highly authentic tones that adapt dynamically as you play. TONEX's strengths include its intuitive interface, seamless integration with IK Multimedia's ecosystem, and the ability to customize tones with AI assistance. However, it relies heavily on processing power and may require a learning curve to fully exploit its AI features. It's ideal for guitarists seeking cutting-edge modeling technology who want to explore a wide palette of authentic sounds without carrying multiple pedals or amps. TONEX excels in studio and live environments where tonal versatility and innovation are priorities. The Boss GT-1000 is a flagship multi-effects processor featuring Boss's IAD augmented impulse response dynamics technology, delivering high-quality AV modeling and effects. It operates with a powerful DSP engine that provides low latency and a rich variety of effects, from classic distortions to modern modulations. The GT-1000 includes a large onboard effect library, flexible routing options, and comprehensive connectivity for live performance and recording. Its strengths lie in its robust build, intuitive control layout, and proven sound quality trusted by professionals worldwide. While it may not have AI-driven features like TONEX, it offers consistent, reliable tone shaping with extensive tweakability. The GT-1000 suits players who want a versatile, durable processor with deep editing capabilities and a broad sound palette. It's perfect for gig musicians and studio users who value hands-on control and a familiar interface. Comparing TONEX and Boss GT-1000 highlights two different philosophies. TONEX's AI modeling offers unmatched realism and adaptive tones, ideal for players wanting fresh, evolving sounds and deep customization through AI. However, it requires more setup and powerful hardware. Boss GT-1000 provides a stable, time-tested platform with a vast effects library and reliable performance, perfect for those who prefer manual control and proven DSP technology. In live settings, GT-1000's rugged design and fast access controls give it an edge. In the studio, TONEX's AI can inspire new creative possibilities. Both processors cover a wide range of genres, but TONEX shines with its innovative tech, while GT-1000 excels in versatility and user familiarity. Choosing between them depends on whether you prioritize AI-driven tone innovation or classic, dependable multi-effect processing. Choose TONEX if you want cutting-edge AI modeling and adaptive tones for creative exploration, especially in studio or experimental live setups. Opt for the Boss GT-1000 if you need a robust, versatile processor with extensive effects, proven reliability, and hands-on control for live gigs and studio work. Both are excellent, but your choice depends on whether you value AI innovation or classic DSP performance.